It is 3 a.m. Dev is sitting in a dark kitchen. The only light comes from a glowing screen that has become his entire world. He just watched 2 months of rent vanish in 4 minutes. His chest is tight. His breath is shallow. The silence is deafening. He tells himself, just a bad day. But deep down, he feels the first cold truth. The market didn't even notice he was there. This is Dev's story, but if you've ever traded, it might already be yours. Because every trader goes through 5 levels, and most traders never make it past level 2. If you skip even one lesson, you'll pay for it. With money, with confidence, and sometimes with your entire account. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know all 5 levels, and you'll know exactly which level you're on. Level 1, the beginner. It starts at midnight. Dev is 21 years old. He's watching a guy on YouTube make $3,000 in one afternoon. The guy is sitting in a car Dev will probably never afford, and suddenly, Dev wants that life. So he downloads a trading app. He deposits $500, almost everything he has. Then he starts looking for advice. A YouTube guru says, "This stock is about to explode." A news headline says, "Analysts are bullish," and an Instagram trading page makes it look almost guaranteed. So he trusts them. He wakes up the next morning, he sees the chart, and he buys his first stock. Something he saw mentioned online yesterday. Level 2, the broken student. 3 months later, the market finally hits back. Dev loses almost everything in a single afternoon. He watches the red numbers until his eyes burn. $500 down to 40. He just sits there, not eating, not moving. He wants to quit. And for a moment, he almost does. But something in him refuses to let go. The romance is dead now. So Dev stops looking for guys in sports cars. He becomes a researcher. He buys every book, watches every lecture. His bedroom wall fills with sticky notes, charts, patterns, Fibonacci, liquidity sweeps. He treats the market like a math problem he can finally solve. But then he stops trading. For an entire month, he just watches. And slowly, something changes. He realizes the charts aren't just lines. They're the footprints of millions of panicked people. And Dev finally understands the enemy was never just the market. It was the part of him that couldn't control itself. So he opens a small account. This time, he isn't looking for home runs. He's looking to survive. Level 3, the rebuilder. Dev gets a part-time job. He saves $200 a month, and he rebuilds. Slowly. 500, 1,000, 2,000. He stops swinging for home runs. He takes small, boring trades. He risks only 1% of his account on each trade, not because 1% will make him rich overnight, but because one bad trade can't destroy him anymore. If he loses small. If he wins, he learns. His friends think he's wasting his life. His father calls it gambling, to his face. Dev doesn't argue. He just keeps going. Months pass. The account grows, painfully slowly, but it grows. And something changes. Dev stops asking, "How much can I make today?" and starts asking, "How much can I afford to lose?" That's when trading starts becoming different. Because Dev isn't trying to prove he's right anymore. He's trying to stay in the game. And one morning, he looks at the number and realizes something nobody can take from him. He actually did this. Not luck, not a guru, not a perfect trade. It's Dev himself. He rebuilt himself. One disciplined decision at a time. Level 4, the funded ghost. Years pass. Dev finally passes a prop firm challenge. They hand him $50,000 to trade. For the first time, he feels like a real professional. Years later, Dev manages millions now. He has the house, the cars, the freedom he chased in his 20s. But nobody knows the brutal truth. The pressure gets heavier, not lighter. He trades from a spare bedroom while his friends are out having dinner. He stops answering texts. He misses birthdays, family gatherings, the moments that never appear on any chart. The market is a jealous thing. It wants all of you, and if you're not careful, it gets exactly that. One week, Dev makes $5,000. He feels nothing. The next day, he loses $2,000, and suddenly, he feels like a failure. His identity is no longer attached to who he is. It's attached to a P&L curve. He's winning the game, but slowly, he's losing himself. One evening, someone who loves him asks, "Are you happy?" Dev looks at the screens. He looks at the moon profits. You don't answer, because the honest answer was the on trade. He never let them make. Level 5, the master. 20 years later, Dev no longer measures success by the size of his account or the profit he made this month. Now, he measures it. But the mistakes he no longer makes. The market still moves, people still panic, news still creates VAR, grid still creates bubbles. Butte Dev remain as calm, because he finally understands the market was never his biggest opponent. His own mind was. He spent years trying to predict every move. Until one day, he realized the goal was never to predict the market. The goal was to master himself. Money came, then more money. But peace only arrived when he stopped chasing both. Now, every trade is just another decision, not another battle. And looking back, Dev finally understands the lesson that would have saved him years of pain. The greatest trader isn't the one who beats the market. It's the one who never lets the market defeat his mind. The final level. The cycle continues. Somewhere, a 21-year-old is sitting alone in a dark kitchen. He just made his first $100. His hands are shaking with excitement. He thinks he has found the secret to life. He has no idea the market is already preparing his invoice. He will pay in money, in time, in silence. And eventually, he will learn. They always do. Trading will give you things most people never have. Freedom, discipline, the ability to make money from anywhere on earth. But it will also ask for things most people never talk about. Time, sleep, relationships, pieces of yourself you may never get back. So before you place your next trade, ask yourself one honest question. Do I want this life or just the dream of it? Because those are two very different things. And the market will eventually show you exactly which one you chose. Dev survived because he finally understood trading was never just about charts. It was about psychology. Every mistake he made, every loss he took, started long before he ever placed a trade. It started inside his own mind. And if you want to understand the hidden psychology that silently makes people lose money before they even realize it, watch The Dark Reality of Trading, because once you understand how your mind works, you'll never look at the market the same way again. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, work smart, stay disciplined, keep learning, because your future is built by the decisions you make today. And always remember, you have a great future. Till then, bye.